Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So I had to push myself to make this video because it was so much of, I just wanted to make this video, but I was also like so much bored to make this, but still I'm actually just making it now. I will upload it just today only. But anyways, as you can see by the title, I'm going to make the Q&A video. So it's about related to anything. So I asked on my Instagram to ask me question related to whatever you feel like to ask me. So I posted on both of my account, that is my makeup page and my own account, also shared on WhatsApp. So I got like bunch of 20-25 questions, and I have shorted down it into 10 questions, 11, because most of the questions were kind of similar, and 4 to 5 questions were kind of vulgar, so I didn't wanted to really answer them. Not vulgar, but it was out of my comfort zone, so I'm not going to answer them. This is not being ask me dirty questions, so it's going to be just a chill out Q&A that you want to know. But anyways, I'll make a such video in later on video where you ask me like the cheapest question. Maybe a lot of people do that, but yeah, I'm not ready right now to do it, so that's the reason this is going to be very normal questions which I got. Before starting off, make sure that you definitely subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. That will be notified, like you will get notification all the time whenever I post my videos. You can follow my makeup page, that is Priyank Makeup and Hair. I post all my work related stuff there, and my own account Priyanka Almeida, so it's on you if you want to just check it out, and you can give it a follow. Yeah, let's get started with today's video. Question is something that I don't know why people feel this to be really important to ask. Like it's like about, are you single? Yes, I'm high right now, but still I got this from two people. Yeah, I didn't actually mention the amount of people asked me this question, but this was there. And even like the fact that I'm not the fact that personal questions मुझे पता है एक हद तक you definitely ask your friends and family about their relationship status or whatever, but I don't feel myself to ask and all that. I don't feel that much to invade in someone's privacy. Something, it's something that I really don't give a fuck about, to be honest. Being single or non-single is like something that doesn't matter nowadays, because even if you're in a relationship, it is something that you're kind of alone only at the end of the day. So as like the whole pandemic is getting so worse, but yeah, let's not get that much deep. But yes, I'm single. So the second one is tips on YouTube, how you started ups and downs. So tips on YouTube, I don't feel myself eligible to talk on tips on YouTube, because everyone has a journey, and if you ask, most important thing, if you want to start, just take your phone and just film and record, and just be consistent, be very consistent and authentic. Like at the end of the day, if you're trying to copy or trying to just have kind of influence from other people a lot, you're not going to grow yourself, because हमेशा आप दूसरे के videos में ज़्यादा छान मारने वाले हो कि वो क्या कर रही है, ये क्या कर रही है, and then you're going to upload it in your videos. It's not going to show your authentic self. Even if you see, even my videos are not like that different, but I always give so much of information and a majority of knowledge, so that I know that I have researched and I know exactly what I'm speaking on, the product you say or the recommendations I talk about. So it's all about how you want to make your videos, and it's about how you started. I started just my friend helped me. If you know Amanda, she was in my Momo challenge ka video also, so she recorded my first video. So she had an iPhone, so I called her for help and she recorded my first video. So yeah, she recorded and she edited, and I then uploaded. My first video is still up on my YouTube, so you can check it out. And up and downs are there in all phases of life. So overall in YouTube was something that when I was not uploading, I was feeling the phase of why I'm not uploading, I should be consistent with it, and that was only going in my mind all the time. Other than that, I had no much ups and downs overall, because I don't feel YouTube as like number and has to like succeed and all that. For me, YouTube is just, I really like talking, I really love to share knowledge and stuff, so it really doesn't matter to me overall. But if you see that I'm sweating, because AC and fan band there, so don't mind that. Okay, the next is your biggest fear. By the way, I have written everything on the this paper, because I'm recording on my phone, so I have to write it on a paper. But my biggest fear is like heights. I don't like heights. And crocodiles, snakes, basically reptiles. I really get scared of reptiles. Even frogs. I really jump around when I see all those creatures. I definitely know they are like beauty of nature and all that, but I really get a cringy, not cringy, I really like, goosebumps aa jate mujhe, and I just feel, ekdam fear of it. There is also fear. Yes, let's put it there like that. Okay, the fourth one is, what is your outlook towards current situation, pandemic? Yeah, current situation, pandemic outlook is like what everyone is thinking. Yeah, like it's just because of like because दो तीन लोगों के वजह से the whole situation has again got worse. I don't know, there are like people, politician taking rallies and doing a lot of shit things that obviously like it's like it's really fucking your head, because when you are just not wearing a mask in the local areas, people are getting punished and charged, like fined kar rahe and all that. And when this huge politicians are taking big rallies, they are not asked anything. So it's really really difficult. Actually yesterday also something happened. I was like so I had this blockage in my head that I just wanted to do nothing, because there are some times when you don't feel motivated, you just don't want to do anything. It's just so hard for you to even get up and have like a glass of tea. It's so hard. तो वैसे हो गया था, but still I just kept myself going. You have to, it's fine. Even if you have such phases in your life, it's fine. You have to keep one mindset that every single phase is not going to be same. You have to keep moving yourself in different situations. So that is very important. So for me, I just don't really look on this all situation. I just feel it's normal for me. At the end of the day, we are just going to survive it, and even if we don't, we are going to die. So for me, if you have that ease in your mind, you're done, you're sorted. Are you MUA? Okay, makeup artist. Yes. So I definitely learned makeup. Basically, since child, I love makeup. I love to do makeup on others. I don't do it on myself much, but I love to do makeup on others, and I just wanted to get it as a degree based thing. So after my 12th standard, I just started like a freelancing without any course, and I got a very good response. So I had inbuilt skills a lot, and then when I started getting good amount of orders, so I just thought of getting a proper advanced degree. So I went and I just did a advanced makeup course, and that really helped me, because from that I got a lot of confidence, and my skills also increased to another level. Like it definitely sprinkled a lot of glitters on the cake. That was the whole phase. But yeah, it was amazing. It's been almost 2 years 2019 I got done with it. Yes. And then it's going amazing. So I definitely take orders, I do all these makeup things. So it's something that I love doing, and I definitely am thinking to put it as my career in future. So yes. The sixth one is how you know so much about skincare and makeup. Okay, because I research and I love, obviously, as I said in my previous questions linked, right? So makeup I love, skincare also I love, because I had severe acne in the past. If you see my real past videos, I have pigmentation, acne, hormones, age, teenage time, whatever reasons maybe, but I was like in so much of this that I need to know what exactly it is, what kind of products I should use, and how to just get rid of it. So I went into this phase where I started watching a lot of proper abhi to YouTube mein, it is so like you will get so much of knowledge on YouTube, and that is amazing. So I started watching a lot of esthetician and dermatologist ke videos and all, and proper listening to what they have to say for skin conditions, this and that, and accordingly I just made up my mind with knowledge and stuff. So it really helped me overall to know what the issue it is and what products to use, so I can actually look onto someone's face and I can suggest products. The thing is that I don't have a degree, so I can't do that, but other than that, yes, I love skincare and makeup. Okay, the seventh one is current job. Every सब लोग ही jobless है, but my job, like I have not yet completed my education. I'm still pursuing my graduation. I did take 1 year ka drop, and then I wanted to build my makeup business another level, which I did. I'm really proud of that. So I built proper kind client ka known thing. I started working with a lot of people and all that. So I built a proper knowledge on that, and then I started also working with a lot of my friends and the known industry people wise me. So that really gave me a lot of exposure for my own field, and with that I started also getting my degree. So I'm doing BA, if you want to know. So yes, so I don't have any current proper 9 to 5 job, but yes, I'm earning also. So I also take tuition, so I earn through that also. I do this makeup thing, so I kind of earn good from me. So yes. Okay, why you stop painting, posting them on your reels and all? By the way, love your videos. Okay, so yes, if you don't know, on Instagram, the thing is that I posted the question thing on my Instagram, so that's the reason maybe. On Instagram, I used to post a lot of painting ke videos and my photos. I think last pandemic say, I also love painting. I do a lot of painting most of the time. But what happened is, like, as I said, there is that situation in your head where sometimes you don't feel like doing certain things and sometimes you feel like doing other things. So that is what the current situation is. Other than that, I definitely will, push myself and do a lot of painting more. Yes. But yeah, I didn't stop. I just kind of have that blockage in my head right now, so not doing it. Otherwise, I will do it in future. For sure, there are some painting stuff coming soon. Okay, the ninth one is, when are your vlogs and challenges coming? It's coming soon. Vlogs तो नहीं आ रहे because there is nothing exciting coming. I had shared my day in my life routine on my YouTube. That is exactly what is happening every single day. So I don't feel like sharing, because other than that कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. Why will I share something which is not happening? If I have some kind of projects, some kind of things together built, then I can vlog. Definitely I had 2-3 things lined up, because अभी तो lockdown हो गया, so I can't do all those things. So I've just postponed those things. But other than that, challenges will come. Definitely I have to yet shoot 2 challenges for my video. But vlogs can't really promise, because there is no exciting things that I can vlog and I can show, so it's going to be very very boring. If you have not watched my day in my life, that is exactly what I do every single day, except that I have up and down थोड़ा थोड़े काम timings के हिसाब के बदल गए, but exactly that is what I do every single day. One is how you stay motivated. By the way, love your videos and your inspiration. Okay, she has asked 3 questions altogether. Okay, how you stay motivated? I push myself. I'm not that motivated person. I definitely push myself a lot on my boundaries. I keep talking to myself a lot. I always keep telling myself that this is what you have to do, this is what you should do. It is fine even if you have your lows. Always keep yourself in that situation where you don't have to push yourself to like extreme level. Just be very gentle with yourself also, because kya hota hai, sometimes what happens is the whole situation is making you dull and unmotivated, like not motivated towards doing what you want to do. So it's fine, it's a phase. Like hamesha hum itna kaam karte hain that we don't put that effort on ourselves. Now the pandemic what is happening is like you are putting a lot of efforts in yourself, so do that, why not? And other than that, I'm not motivated. Sometimes I feel like watching a lot of motivational videos and keep myself motivating. But more than that, yes, the most important motivator in your life is you yourself. You have to put yourself in that situation where you have to work for yourself and get into that phase. Other than, by the way, love you, thank you so much. And your inspiration, my inspiration is myself. Yes, definitely, it's cliched, but yes, it's myself. I don't look up to most of the people, but if you ask me celebrity wise, Priyanka Chopra, I look up to her to another level. I don't know why, not because of the names are similar, but more than that. And Ellen, I love Ellen DeGeneres. I love her show. I love everything about her personality and how she's absolutely perfect person, I feel, to get motivated through. And yeah, definitely Kenny Sebastian, amazing comedian. I love to watch his videos a lot. Upamanyu Singh, oh my god, there are so many comedians also that I feel really inspired to watch their videos, and you just feel chilled and all that. So proper inspiration apne se hi leti hu, but over agar apne se bhi down ho gayi, then these are the people that I really look up to. There are lot, but these are the few that I can really name right now. And the last question is by my friend. So she's Amanda, and she literally told me that how you are so inspiring and how you are so motivated all the time. It's because of you, baby. Like, you do it for me. Anyways, it's all like you have to be the most, you have to be yourself. Like, आपको ही अपने आप को motivate करना है, आपको ही अपने आप को inspire करना है, and you will get into that phase. Wherever you want to reach, just keep consistent, keep going, and you will, even if it's not happening, it's fine. Yeah, because at the end of the day, you are just going to die and nothing is going to matter, to be honest. So just enjoy the present and you're sorted. Okay, so I hope that you liked my video. It was very quick because I'm so bored, and I didn't want to do anything, but I really wanted to post today's video and just wanted to be that consistent person. So that's the reason I'm sitting at, as you can see, kuch nahi hai. Lighting ke wajah se I'm looking proper. Other than that, there is nothing on my face. I'm sweating like a pig. But I hope that you liked my video. Definitely give me a thumbs up. If you have more questions, put it down in the description, comments. And see, I'm like literally forgetting words also. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked it. And I post every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, so keep an eye on it. Saturday I'm really putting myself forward to make the 100 rupee card challenge, to eat everything under 100 rupees videos. I will do that. I'm not promising, but I will try my best to do it. But thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care.